Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
You keep my hands on myself. Take off dust and mold, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl as me. Am I coming out of left me? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed.
What's up YouTube? You already know what it is. It's Joshua Kwan in the house. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Thanks for tuning into the channel. We've got something really special in tune for tonight. It's the last stop of the year and the admins of the CCGS group have said they're going to shout pizza. So I think we're going to have a huge turnout. I already know there's quite a few new people coming. Some people that have been in the group for a while that have never come to these stop rides. And we've also got some returning odd faces. So I'm really keen for that. Quite a few new people have joined our Pastry CC group. And I haven't had the chance to meet a lot of them in person, so I just want to take this moment just to say welcome to the group. I hope I can see you in a ride soon, and thanks for supporting the channel and also joining our group. Michael! What's up? It's gonna be a big night. Chill night. Alright, so I'm here with my friend Jerry from the UK. Hello! And this is her first time coming to stop. And she's here to have a little spin with us. So what got you into cycling?
I think it's a social part of things.
Yeah.
It's like spending hours with your friends on the bike.
Yeah.
Sessions and enjoying the food, coffee and buns, pastries. Yeah, all sorts of things.
That's right, in it for the pastries. So Jerry did really well and she rode all the way here from the city. So she's done a good effort to get here. And it is very windy.
So windy! How is this warm up? This is like...
I think it's because they're going into the wind.
Okay.
And you're not sitting behind the biggest draft in the world. I don't see this guy for like 1 year and then he decides to ruin my last Tuesday night of the year.
Hey, knock it off! There's a kid back there!
I'm in danger.
These two are going to go in the faster group. So we'll call it, I don't know if it's big enough to call paint train, but it's going to be, what usually happens, you're going to roll out.
That's insulting.
Okay, then as well. So he's taking the slow one, right, so, but, and then it's just going to drop off, so, you know, stop.
Oh, that's a big group. That was nice.
Yeah.
Starting on you.
Oh.
I think this is the biggest chop train we've ever had. There's easily about 20 people here. And we got Michael and the boys.
Here we go guys, it's the last sob train of the year. You've seen from the intro that I got dropped pretty early into the ride, probably about I think 20 or 30 minutes in, so definitely could have held on for longer. I thought I'd just put some commentary over this footage, just point out some of my observations, maybe things that I can improve for next time and things that I definitely did wrong. So the first thing and most obvious thing you'll see is that the train is absolutely enormous tonight, probably about 20 plus people, and we're going much faster than usual. We're heading into a flat headwind here and the speed is over 40k an hour, so staying in that draft is really important to conserving energy. Another effect is that because the train is so long, any little gaps that happen just get blown out a bit massively, and you kind of get the accordion effect where the people at the back are just having started to close down these big gaps, and you're doing a lot of surging. One last thing to point out is that Sydney Olympic Park, the route that we're doing, it's not a closed course, it's on open roads, and there's traffic lights, there's stop signs, there's cars, and as you'll see in the footage right here, half the group just had to run through the red light just to stay with the main group. So I've just done something probably a bit cheeky and silly, just jumping over the curb there. But what it's resulted in is that everyone on the back half has had to do a big effort just to close down this gap. So this is where I probably make the most crucial mistake of the night. You can see Joseph up the road, he's going for a solo breakaway, and Mr. World Championships in front of me is about to do the same. Obviously my head felt a lot better than my legs, so I thought this is my chance to go and bridge the gap and join them. Yep, so that didn't work out too well. Don't ask me why a 60 kilo rider with a 220 watt FTP thought he could go solo for the next 40 minutes. Anyway, at this point, I'd burned quite a few matches for that little charade, and what I really need now is just to sit in and relax for the next 5 minutes and just get my heart rate under control. So right now I'm in full survivor mode. I'm skipping turns, I'm freewheeling as much as I can, just trying to hide at the back behind the big boys. But then disaster strikes. 75% of the group runs through this red light, and I'm stuck on the other side with 4 other guys. The gap just grows out massively, and we have to work against maybe 16 guys to close it down and get back onto them. Now here I make my final mistake. The right thing to do here would have just been to move straight onto Nem's wheel, have a perfect sit through the corner, and just let them tow me back to the group. But instead, I let these two guys in the blue jerseys through, and the acceleration that Clifton's putting down is just too much, and I just get left behind. I don't have the legs to close the gap on this little group, so I'm essentially left in no man's land. The only chance of catching back up is to do a shortcut and then join again, but at this point I was just feeling way too cooked.
Big B man dropped his chain. First man back.
Oh my god, well done, you smashed it.
Shout out to Maz, who got the fastest time of the night.
Nem in third place.
38.4 k an hour.
Oh, he's the big boy.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for riding the year. If you first year or 10 years, enjoy some pictures all on us. Hopefully you meet some new people as well, and hopefully you see in the future as well. So thanks very much.
Hey!
How's that, mate?
Hi guys, press the bell.
Oh, Domino's.
Just want to take this moment to thank the CCGS admins. Thanks so much for organising this event and all the rides all year. It's been an awesome just meeting new people, hanging out and just beating myself on Tuesday nights. So I look forward to seeing you all in 2023. Bye.
Hey, great execution on a click-through rate, man. It's like actually like, you can see the momentum building now.
Oh yeah, for sure. Like when I started making the videos 3 weeks ago, I only had 30 subscribers.
You remember like your little Birdie detour videos?
Yeah.
And you only used to get like us?
Yeah.
Watching it like